Gold technical analysis, August 18th, commoditiesmansion.com. The gold markets rose again on Wednesday, but not as much as we've seen lately. These are odd times in which we live, as an $8 move in the gold markets is now considered light. This shows exactly how much has changed over the last couple of years, as it wasn't that long ago that a $10 move was considered massive. In this environment, $25 a day moves are no longer uncommon. Looking at the charts, it seems that the 1800 level is acting as a cap for the market. And looking at the 50-day moving average, you can see that we are most certainly in the oversold area. Unless, of course, we see some type of financial panic, there's a really good chance that we may see a pullback. And that's what we want to see. 1700 really wouldn't be that unreasonable. It's almost $100, but looking at the slope of this line, that's really not a big move. 1650 comes into play, 16 comes into play, 1750 for that matter comes into play, but we really want to see it drop down at least to 1700 to start to bring back some stability to the marketplace, as it just seems the mania has kind of gotten out of control, and as such it seems that sooner or later the market will turn around and do a deep correction. The problem with gold is, though, anytime it does a correction, it normally is really violent. Because of this, we just don't feel good about buying at these elevated levels, but we are looking for a pullback and some type of supportive action, maybe around a round figure like the 1700, 1600, 1650, something like that. In the meantime, we are simply just going to watch and wait for our opportunity. Of course, it could go sideways and the 50-day moving average could eventually catch up with it, which of course would be supportive as well. As you can see, it's a highly followed technical indicator in the futures markets, especially the gold market. And as such, that would work as well. But either way, the market does need to cool off before we get back in on the long side. We won't sell. The trend is just simply up too strong.